Hell, that hit like so close.
Wasn't that close? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back here at the beautiful Silver Lake Sand Dunes, and we're gonna have a head-to-head battle of the Traxxas Pro Scale Funko replica and the ultimate Traxxas UDR. In reality, this is no comparison between these two vehicles. They're probably both my favorite in my collection, but regardless, I want to see how they do. I got sand paddle tires on both, and we'll give a quick walk around of some of the upgrades that are on each of these vehicles. Upgrades for the Funko Pro Scale Sand Car are going to be a little bit minimal, but the major ones are going to be the new front ribbed tires, which is going to help give you a little bit more bite when turning in the sand. And then I also went through and made some custom hinge pins for all the connections on the front, upper and lower control arms, and also the rear. That's gonna help strengthen it just a little bit more. So that's pretty much about it. Oh, there is also a new brushless servo in that as well. And then moving over to the Traxxas UDR, pretty much everything about this truck is upgraded and or custom. I mean, there is a Hobby Wing Max 8 in this system, loads of GPM parts, aluminum rear axle housing, HD gears, paddle tires, Vidavon sway bar. I mean, there is a ton of stuff that is done to this truck. I have a build video on this truck specifically, so if you want to check that out, it'll be on my channel. So the batteries in the Funko are done. So now it's time to break out the UDR. I'm really excited to see how this does. This is the first, well, actually the second time I've taken it out to the big sand dunes with the paddle tires other than the beach. So let's see how it does. guys did enjoy the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. I had a great day out here. It's been about 9 months since I last filmed a video, so it was nice to get back in the swing of things. Been doing some other stuff with some other business ventures, so it was really nice to come out here and have some fun. And I'm really happy to get a video out for you guys. I know it's probably not as long as what you were kind of hoping for, but regardless, I had a lot of fun, and hopefully you guys saw some cool clips. That's going to do it for today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.